Howdy from Texas. This is Ocelot. I've been riding a motorcycle for 2 years, and I'm sharing my journey. On this ride, we'll visit magnificent scenic wonders, like the Cache Water District Water Tower, Walmart, another water tower. Well, what we really have in Hunt County is a lot of lovely rural landscape that I find pleasant and healing to ride through. We're leaving Greater Metropolitan Greenville, heading south on US 69 to County Road 1564, then up Texas 34. Thanks for riding along. I hope you'll like this video and subscribe. I'm not a speed demon or a stunt rider. This is just an easy, pleasant ride through some rural parts of my home area, Hunt County, Texas. I enjoy a quiet countryside, an open field, a forest path. I have always felt that people who don't appreciate nature in its quiet aspects, who need to be smacked in the face with a scenic vista or a huge mountain to recognize it and enjoy it, they don't appreciate nature to its fullest extent. It's the quiet voice sometimes that resonates most deeply, the subtle beauty that rewards attention. I've only been riding for 2 years. I'm sure a lot of you could ride these roads better, faster, taking cleaner lines. Feel free to drop in a comment about that, or comment or ask questions about things you see in the video. Outside the white line on the right, you can see rumble strips cut into the pavement. You may enjoy keeping an eye on those, because as our speed goes up and down, they interact with the frame rate of the camera. They appear to hold still or move backward at some speeds. It's not a big deal, but it's fun. Here in Texas, the COVID orders have always allowed for people to do outdoor activities, keeping our distance. They mention walking, biking, hunting, and fishing. Hunt County specifically called out motorcycling as an okay outdoor activity, again with distancing. And this makes sense. We're not going to spread a virus being outdoors and spread apart, and it's important to maintain physical conditioning and morale. Of course, each state and county has its own issues. I don't disrespect any for making a different choice. I'll just let some background music play from here on. Titles and artists are in the description and end credits. If you don't like it, turn it down and blast some heavy metal or whatever you do like. If you enjoy this video, please like it and subscribe. This is Ocelot. Stay safe and ride happy.